Are you looking for the best VPN apps for protecting your privacy on your iPhone? Get top VPN apps for iPhone and secure your online privacy. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or traveling, we've got you covered with the top picks. If you're ready to install the VPN, just check out the link below in this video description. Let's dive in. All of these VPNs are available for download directly from the App Store. Let's start. Number 1 is ExpressVPN app. Known for its lightning-fast speeds and excellent security, ExpressVPN offers over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. Its key features include a strict no-logs policy, a kill switch, and seamless support for streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. ExpressVPN is user-friendly and works with a single tap, perfect for anyone new to VPNs or seasoned users. Number 2 is NordVPN app, a top choice for professional gamers and streamers. This is one of the most trusted VPN services. With 5,000 plus servers worldwide, NordVPN provides excellent privacy tools like Double VPN and CyberSec for blocking ads and malware. NordVPN's app is sleek and intuitive, making it a top choice for security enthusiasts. Number 3 is Surfshark app. Looking for a budget-friendly option? Try Surfshark. It offers unlimited devices per account, solid encryption, and features like Clean Web to block ads and trackers. Surfshark is a great pick for families or users who need VPN coverage on multiple devices. Number 4 is Double VPN. Are you planning to travel to countries with potential internet restrictions and want to ensure uninterrupted access to your usual media? What is the best way to set up a free VPN on your iPhone before your trip? So if you want a free VPN with reasonable data limits, then go with Double VPN app. Number 5 is VPN app. For those seeking a reliable free option, VPN is a standout. It's privacy-focused and offers a free plan with unlimited data, though speed is capped compared to premium plans. VPN is backed by Swiss privacy laws, ensuring your data stays safe. Here's a quick comparison of these top VPNs to help you choose the best one for your needs. ExpressVPN for speed and ease of use, NordVPN for advanced security, Surfshark for affordability, VPN for a reliable free option. So guys, with any of these VPNs, your iPhone becomes a fortress of online privacy. Download one today and stay secure wherever you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. See you next time.